Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy internet computer tokens on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will go to coinbase.com and log into our account. After you have done that, you will arrive at this page. As you can see, there are three options right on top. You can deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. We would like to buy the tokens, so we will click on the second option. After that, this overview will be opened, and now we can select the asset we would like to buy. So we would like to buy ICP, the Internet Computer Token, and there it will appear. After selecting it, you can simply fill in the amount you would like to buy. For me, it's now at €6, and I would like to use my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe. But if you live in another country or region and you have another currency, then you can select the right wallet you would like to use. I will leave it on a one-time purchase for now. You can select different frequencies. You can select daily, weekly, twice a month or monthly. Read into that, but for now I will leave it on a one-time purchase. After that, you can click on Preview Buy and you will see some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet. I will be buying 0.49 coins and the purchase price is €5.01. The Coinbase fee will be 99 cents and the total amount I'm spending is €6. Also, they give another option to invest on a weekly basis. I don't want to do that, so I will leave it on no. After you have decided to buy this coin, then you can click on buy now and the coins will be bought at the moment. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.